Kmart and waste some time and waste some money. Good morning guys and happy Monday. It is the start of a brand new weekly vlog and it's actually a public holiday here in Victoria. I'm pretty sure it's everywhere, maybe apart from Queensland. I think they had theirs on Friday, but it's the Queen, is it the Queen's birthday or Labour? I don't even know. Queen's birthday. So Andy has the day off and so do I. So we're off on a little road trip. We're actually still in lockdown, so we're only allowed 25 kilometers away. We're going to a place called the Briars, which is where you can kind of see wildlife. We've been there before though and didn't see anything, so I don't have high hopes right now, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of get out of the house. I actually worked all weekend, so Saturday and Sunday, so I'm very happy today is a long weekend so that we can at least do something. Also, my camera battery is literally already flashing, it's gonna die, so if the camera quality changes, it's because I've moved over to my phone. Got a little esky full of snacks and a nice coffee. Also, I forgot how good pods were. We got them yesterday and I think we've nearly demolished a packet.
Good?
Is it good? Average? You're not really a caramel kind of gal. Gal?
Or die.
Oh, I love that we have an esky. It's just too funny. Just walking back to the car now. We got to see two wallabies. Three?
Yeah, the first one. In the distance.
Okay, we'll count that.
Yeah, it wasn't not a wallaby.
True. I don't know what it was though. It was like bed down.
Yeah, it was a wallaby.
Ah.
Yeah, so three.
So three. Couple swans. Better than last time. We literally didn't see anything last time. So now we're just walking back to the car and then I don't know what we're gonna do. It's lunchtime, but I'm not that hungry, are you?
Nah, I'm just tired.
Yeah. Maybe we'll go get like coffee or hot chocolate or something yummy. I see another one. This little head is over there.
It literally looks like a wallaby.
It's just like, hello. What you looking at? Are they dangerous? Like how close can you get? I don't know, he looks kind of scary. I feel like a sausage roll.
Alright.
With a coffee. Does that sound good? Yum. Wednesday, so it's now 10 o'clock. I've had back-to-back clients all morning since 7 a.m. I think I started, and I have still another few calls, but I'm just currently having breakfast because I haven't had any time since I started, but I just had a cancellation, so I'm able to fit in some food, which is great. I'm also drinking a green tea. I already had my coffee this morning. But it's literally so cold in Melbourne today. I have my heater on, I have a blanket on my lap, I have my slippers on. It is just freezing. The positive is you're not in a diet phase right now. Like you probably, if you're in a diet phase, I'd be like, Jessie, no, like have some self-control, yeah. But
on travel for sport between Melbourne and regional Victoria, so masks
in outdoors. However, they're still recommended. Just stuck the hair on out there.
Jeff, did you hear the news?
No.
Restriction for these.
What does that mean?
We can do whatever we want. Just in the middle of work, but I'm making a little snacky snack now. So I've got a Chobani Fit yogurt and also a chocolate fiber one bar that I've just popped in the microwave to heat up for 10 seconds. Literally together is chef's kiss. I've been doing this for a few months now, ever since I started calorie tracking, because it's such a good like low calorie snack, high protein, and just tastes phenomenal. So the secret is warming the fiber one bar up in the microwave first and then breaking it on top of the yogurt. It's incredible. Absolutely. Good morning, guys. Excuse the horrible lighting and hopefully it's not too echoey. I'm literally in my bathroom about to do a fake tan. I'm about to try a new product and that is why I am filming it for you guys. I saw the Mesha twins talk about this product, but also again, I'm pretty sure they work with Bondi Sands, so it's kind of hard to know when a product is actually good or whether people are like being paid to talk about it. They basically won me over anyway because I clearly bought the product. But it is the Bondi Sands Pure Self Tanning Drops. So this is to tan your face. I usually never tan my face, I just tan my body and then have like a dark foundation. But honestly, sometimes I don't want to wear foundation and I feel like you almost look a bit psycho when you go to the shops and you clearly have like a dark like neck and then just like pasty as face. In my opinion anyway, because my tan is like quite dark and my face is very pale. So I thought I would just give this a go because it seems super easy. You literally just mix it with moisturizer. So it says to add 4 to 12 drops. That's like a massive difference. Like, is it 4 or is it 12? I might do like 6, halfway. Self-tanning drops to your moisturizer, mix well and apply evenly over your face and neck. Wash hands thoroughly. So let's give this a go. I'm gonna do this step first, and then I will tan the rest of my body off camera. My camera literally just cut out and I don't know how many drops I did. I'm just gonna do like 3 more. Honestly, what's the worst that can happen? Are you meant to like put it on your eyes? Like your eyelids? Guys, I'm gonna. It feels good. It literally just feels like moisturizer. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit while I do the rest of my fake tan, and then I will show you either later what it looks like or maybe tomorrow, depending on the lighting, but fingers crossed. Alright guys, so I just made it to the shopping center because I finished work early for the day. It's only 4:30 and I had literally nothing else to do. So I was like, I'm gonna go to Kmart and waste some time and waste some money. And I've just lost my ticket. Oh no. You know when you get the ticket to get in the gate and if you lose it, it's like 50 bucks? How could I possibly have lost it? Surely it's down the side somewhere. Okay, found it. Phew. But I do actually have a reason to come to Kmart. My friend recently had hip surgery and I wasn't able to go see her in the hospital because of the COVID restrictions. So I thought I would just pop into Kmart and get a few things that she can do on bed rest, like maybe some puzzles or like some chocolate and snacks. I don't think she'll see this video before I actually go to her house and give it to her, so hopefully I'm not ruining the surprise. But yeah, I just wanted to get her a few things, and I also saw a few cute decor pieces on TikTok that I might have a look at, so let's go into Kmart. Alright, back from Kmart now, and I thought I would do a quick little haul The few things I got for my friend, first of all, is this thing called the Power of Chakras. I literally don't know what this is. I see it on Instagram there all the time. Which is really into like mindfulness and all that kind of stuff, so I thought it would help, especially in her like healing process over the next few months. So I don't know, I just saw that and thought, yeah, that's cool. I got a word puzzle book. Honestly, it's just cute. What is with Kmart and having really cute stuff? But it's just got a whole bunch of mixed puzzles in it. And the last thing I got is a candle, because last time she came over we were burning this and she said the house smelled really nice, so I thought I would also pick her up a candle. And I also have sheet face masks just for like a little pamper night, and I'm gonna pop that in this basket that I also got with a whole bunch of like snacks and stuff. I haven't got the snacks yet because I couldn't be bothered to go to Woolworths, but next time I go to Woolies I'll get the snacks. And then for myself, I got this little jewelry holder. I'm not someone who usually wears jewelry, but recently I've gotten into it a little bit more. So this is like a necklace holder. I just thought it was really cute. I got a clear drawer container. So these will be for like earrings and bracelets. So I'll have like gold jewelry in one and silver in another. I just like that it's clear. I got a little car freshener because I love this. So good. Okay, Andy, these are the things that I picked up for us. I got this vase. I thought it was super cute when I saw it, and it's like ceramic-y. I don't even know if we'll put I don't even know if we'll put any actual like flowers in it. I just feel like it looks cool just on its own. Like a little table piece, if you will. And the last thing is this table runner. What are these called? It probably says on the tag. Placement mat. That is literally all I got. I had a lot of self-control. There were so many things I wanted. Did you get my Snapchats of the rugs?
No.
There's so many cool rugs there. Like, I feel like we literally need to go back.
Oh, shit.
Oh, Peanut, you won it already. You're so cute. Look at him. That's adorable. Well, apparently the cats like it. Can you guys not? Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. I have my little cup of tea, and at the moment I'm just like in my dressing gown and having a very chill morning. So I thought I would just kind of like clean up. If you can see the clothes right here, this is from my Princess Polly haul, so that video is already live, but I have the clothes folded up. I just haven't put them away yet. So I'm dedicating this morning to just kind of like getting stuff done around the house. I don't think I talked about it yesterday, but we also booked a weekend away super last minute with our friends Laura and James. We were actually meant to go to Tasmania, I think it was last week, but it got cancelled because of the lockdown. So restrictions eased yesterday and we were like, okay, we need to book something. We need to still have like a fun little weekend. So that is what we're doing. So I thought I would start packing some stuff. I know it's literally a one night stay, but I feel like as girls you need like 8 different outfits. So I'm gonna start packing, put my clothes away, probably put on a load of washing as well. And I also have my laptop here because I'm gonna watch an episode of The Bold Type.
You're the only person I've ever met who, you know, completely throws me off my game.
Should I go for a walk on your lunch break?
Maybe. See how the weather goes.
Hey guys, so I'm currently just sitting in my car because I'm about to train a few personal training clients, but I thought I would just quickly end out this vlog here because I think I'm going to start a new one for tomorrow for the weekend with our friends. I haven't fully decided, so we'll see, but I think I have way too much footage already for this weekly vlog. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Bye.